Ladies and gentlemen, what do you call a sheep with no legs? A cloud. That's plenty more where that came from.
How are you, Jim?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you, James. How are you doing?
Good, good. So what are we on today?
We're coming to do a little bit of slurry spreading, helping another contractor mate of mine. Put some slurry on some silage ground. Make sure we get it done before it grows too much.
Yeah. So what tractor are you running today then?
Running a class tractor from Morris Corfield, the dealer. I've had a lot of things from them. I find the class tractors very good. Do exactly what I want. I find them reliable, very good tractors, do everything I ask of it. This one's about 178 horse, so it's got electric spools and a few added extras, 50k, air brakes. I spec'd it on 42 tyres, do a lot of fertilising all year round. I wanted something bigger tyre just to take the weight, to carry it better. But yeah, very, very pleased with it, very happy with it.
Tanker looks well in black, doesn't it?
Yeah, the latest purchase, this arrived last August. Major 3,100 gallon from Morris Corfield again.
So what specs have you got this tank on then?
Spec quite a few added extras on it really, we wanted for the job we got to do. Loading arm it had as an extra. One thing I asked for with the top hatch is for it to be right hand opening. A lot of the other companies weren't so keen on changing designs for it. Where I wanted it close to the back as I could. A lot of them wanted to do forward opening, backwards opening, which you just can't see the pump, can't see the pipe for loading. And the system we've got, a Major accommodated me exactly how we wanted it, where we wanted it, and it's ideal for the job. It's on air brakes, twin beacons on the back, LED work lights, the 800 32 tyres. We wanted a big tyre to carry the weight of the tanker better in the spring and the autumn when the ground's a bit tender. The Major come out, wanted to know what tyres the tractor was running on so they could make the drawbar fit. It's got the dampener plates and the sprung drawbar, so it does travel really well, which is important because the roads are so rough.
So what services do you do for your contractor then?
Wide range of services really, slurry spreading, fertiliser spreading, mowing, tedding, raking, ground baling and wrapping, ploughing, cereal drilling, grass seed sowing, so
I do a lot then?
Yeah, plenty of variation throughout the year, yeah.
Oh, you're grand. Well, cheers for letting us come out today and do a bit of filming.
No problem at all, no problem at all.
I'll let you crack on then.
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, yourself, yeah?
Yeah, not too bad. What was I going to say? That was it. What you want to... Wait, start again.